Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to another Weekly Liv video. Right now I am on my way to the gym. I've just pulled over to film this because the lighting in my driveway was horrendous. So instead we're filming it on the side of the road and I look like a weirdo and I can see people judging me. Let's go. So if you guys saw my 2019 goals slash bullet journal slash planner, I actually don't know what it's going to be, bonanza video, you guys would know that I'm doing 12 healthy challenges, and the first healthy challenge is to do cardio every day, which I realized after I made that goal, you know, that healthy challenge, that January wasn't the best month because, well, it's the best and the worst month. So I woke up this morning and I was like, oh my god, I have to go to the gym today and I don't feel like it, just because, you know, the first day of the year, it's always nice to just laze around and just like enjoy being, you know, for most people it's a day off, but for me it's just like I'm already on holiday, so it doesn't really make a huge difference. But I just like to enjoy my day off, you know, enjoy my first day of the year. But then I realized that I made the healthy challenge of going and doing cardio every day this year, and I don't really like road walking that much. I only really liked road walking in where my parents lived because I knew the area, I knew lots of the people that lived there because I'd lived there for like 12 years. It was like very main road, very like safe. Not that the place that I live now isn't safe, I just don't trust it as much as I trust my parents' neighborhood. So today for my cardio, I think I'm gonna go to the gym, and I have a feeling I'm gonna be lazy and just do 20 minutes on the bike, but I don't really want to do 20 minutes on the bike. The reason why I chose this goal for January is because in January I'm super duper sedentary, which means that I'm like not moving because obviously I'm not at school. When I'm at school I can hit upwards of like pretty much like 10,000 steps from work alone without even trying to get more steps. Usually I get between like 12,000 and 16,000 when you include the gym and everything. So when I'm on holiday, my max steps is like 5,000, and that's like if I do cleaning or if I go to the supermarket or something. So I thought a really good way to get up my physical activity would be to do the cardio challenge. I wanted to show you guys my gym outfit today because I'm wearing my new Gymshark leggings. These are the camo ones. They were $90 Australian, but they do feel like the best quality Gymshark leggings that I have. Excuse the angle, the front door's open, but yeah, I don't know if you guys can really see on camera how nice they are, but this is the black, or charcoal I think the camo is called, but I'm wearing an extra small. You can see there's a little bit of, like, it's quite tight on the, oh my gosh, it's actually wet on the back, yuck. It's quite tight up here, but I think any smaller would have had too much fabric around here. So yeah, just in case you're wondering, I wear extra small. I think they're really flattering. The Gymshark logo is minimal. I don't even know if you guys can see, but it just says Gymshark there. And then they have the white shark on the heel. Yeah, I love them so much. I would say it's most similar to the ombre seamless, but it's like maybe as thin as the Vital or somewhere in between. Anyway, for my sports bra, I'm wearing the Endurance sports bra because it's really high support and I wasn't sure what cardio I was going to do. And I'm just wearing an Everlast tank. I'm actually about to go and look on Cotton On Body for some like ridiculously branded tanks. I just want some plain tanks that aren't like super branded. So I'm gonna go have a very, very cold shower to cool off, peel this activewear off of my sweaty body, go have a shower, and then I'm gonna do some shopping and I'll show you guys if I find anything cool. Good morning guys, it is Thursday and I have not been vlogging at all. I'm really sorry. Right now I am 110% on holiday mode because Corpu and I are both off. Well, I'm off of work for ages, but he's off of work this week. He took the week off to spend time with me and to play games and all sorts of stuff. So we've actually just been enjoying each other's company and playing games for like the last 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, and it's been so much fun. I just haven't even thought to pick up the camera. We've just been playing games and hanging out, only really stopping to eat pretty much. So what you've missed the past couple days is on Tuesday, the first day of the vlog, we had leftover curry for dinner. Yesterday I went to the gym and nearly died trying to do a HIIT workout. Last night for dinner we had schnitzel. We haven't really missed anything that exciting. Welcome to Ollie Poo movie review. Bam bam!
That's a great little line, I'm not gonna lie.
I need to make up a little jazzy theme song.
Ollie Poo movie review.
Dan! You just need my really like off tune, whatever that was. Dan!
That's what I call Olivia singing. Dan! 2019.
Oh, It is 2019. I had to write 2019 today something, guys. I had to sign for a pickup, something that we got from PB Tech, and I had to write 2019. I didn't mess it up.
I want to see a massive like collage of just everyone's screw ups of like their first entry of trying to put the date down, because like everyone's bound to screw it up. I'm gonna screw it up multiple times.
Am I going that way?
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, so we just got out of the movies. We just went and saw Aquaman. We have to do the review non-spoilery because people won't skip. They'll just click out of the video. I know how people work, because that's what I would do.
I felt like they stayed true to the comic book costumes on that one. Like,
yeah,
to a T. Like, it was accurate, like right to it, like to the bloody point. I was very impressed with that.
Yeah.
I felt like I said,
wrong glasses.
What is that?
It's the wrong glasses. I don't know if my sunnies are.
It was good. It was a good action-packed film. They abused the slow-mo feature a lot.
Yeah.
The final fight was actually really well shot, in my opinion. Like, really well shot. Yeah. And like the angles was very like aesthetically pleasing. I like the
first fight of the movie. That one was really cool, the way that they shot that.
Yeah, that was dope.
I'd be interested to know how they shot that.
Yeah. Yeah, it's interesting because that director's known for his horror films or his thrillers. Who
was it?
James Wan. I think he's Australian.
Ah.
I'm pretty sure he's Australian. That's why like he had old Uncle Tim.
Is it this left?
Yes. Also, just shout outs to the fact that I'm pretty sure Jason Momoa is actually a patch gang member with a mongrel mob, because they literally say he's a mongrel. As they go off to get some drinks, he says, "Ara." He literally says that to Tim. He's like, "Oh, let's go get some drinks, boy." And he's like, "Ah." Literally. So that was great, yeah. And that was good. And Amber Heard, like A1 class, S class ranked shinobi from the Hidden Leaf village. She's a babe.
Such an egg. I agree, and I really like all of the character design and like the monster design and the seahorses that they ride. Those were freaking cool. Like,
look past the fact that there were like corny lines. Like there's bound to be corny
it was
lines.
So cheesy.
I actually can't wait to like find for the movie to come out, me rip a couple of the scenes off it and just like have a ripper of a time of like the quality cheesy lines that happened in it. It was great.
Yeah, the cheese was very real.
Yeah, I was about to say a couple of the corny lines, but it kind of spoils the movie.
Was it a car park? Oh, 15 minutes.
15 minutes?
We could have parked there, damn.
God, if only I had like a hat or something that could like block the sun.
If only I had sunglasses. We can actually park here because it's after 7.
Oh, dope. Is it actually? What's the time?
Like 8.
It's 8 o'clock, it's so sunny.
I know.
Hey, that's the guy that... Oh, he would drive this fancy car.
My only thing is that I didn't really...
That pays too much.
I didn't really like... Just accidentally spoilt like solid part of the movie, so if you're wondering why it cut really abruptly, it's because I dropped a huge spoiler.
Get some to eat.
Okay, we're at Lone Star. I'll show you guys when we go in. There's a spider in my car. It's Saturday and I haven't vlogged all day. I vlogged like 2 days this week, but I couldn't be bothered going to the gym today, so instead I went all the way to Rebel Sport to buy this skipping rope. I'm gonna go do some skipping for my cardio today. Don't ask me why, it would have been easier to just go to the gym. I realised that after I went on like a 45-minute shopping trip. But anyway, this was $20. It's an Adidas jump rope that I'm probably going to use once. But we'll see. Maybe I'll like it. Maybe I won't. Just like the most basic. Could have gone to Kmart and got probably the same thing, but that's okay. It's Adidas. I am designer. I'd show you guys, but this outfit is not flattering whatsoever, and I don't want you to see me like bouncing around. But anyway, I'm just gonna do 20 minutes of skipping. Hopu's friends over, they're playing games together. That's what that noise is. Yeah, I don't really have much else to say. I'm trying to think what else I've done today. I've had food, been to the supermarket. We done anything else? Not really. Not really. No. I've got sunscreen on because otherwise I'll get sunburnt. All right. What are you wearing? I am wearing the Dermalogica Nah, the sunscreen's actually really good. I wore this when we went for a walk. It's the Protection 50 Sport sunscreen. I have another one too, because they gave me one for Christmas. So I've got 2 sunscreens set for life, which is good when you're like transparent coloured. You burn in 5 minutes. Anyway, I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys after the workout. I'll let you know how it goes. As you can see, the workout was a raging success. I only managed to do like 16 minutes because I nearly died. It's actually like very hot outside today as well. But yeah, it was good. I will definitely do it again. It was too hard just doing skipping though, so by the end of it I was doing some other like hitty stuff because I was actually dying from just doing skipping. It was too hard. I'm too unfit at the moment, but anyway, I've got sweaty knee pits, so I'm gonna go have a shower and I guess I'll see you guys when something exciting happens. Our friend Joel is over and he is a chef and he's making me macaroni cheese. Look at that. Well, he's making us macaroni cheese, but then we've got these steaks over here. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, look at that little cheese bubble. Boy. I don't even know how much to have. Oh my god. Give me. Yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. I don't think I actually showed you guys the finished result yesterday, but this is the mousse with the like crushed sugar glass, I guess, and strawberries. So good.